welcome traders, freetradingvideos.com. Here at Breakout, I'm going to take you through a couple short potential trades if the market rolls over tomorrow. So first of all, we've got Baidu. Baidu has just had a huge leg down on a big volume right here. Look at the volume. Look at that right there. Big selling volume right there. Now you can see the volume here on the up leg. Okay, very low volume and very small retracement to the upside. Now we can also see when we come in to look at MACD, we got lower lows, which confirms the lower lows on the chart right there. So we got confirmation of the downtrend MACD. We got low volume and a very small pullback to the upside, very small candles. Not a great deal of demand behind this stock to the upside. So if we can roll over in the indexes, Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ, well, this stock can break down. So that's one for us. There's Baidu. Let's take a look at another one here. FSLR. Well, FSLR, solar company, so it's going to be heavily based on oil. Oil traded down today. FSLR held up pretty good. Now again, look at volume here. We had the down leg right here. We had increasing volume coming up through here. Now as we pull back up, we can see we got lower average volume on the upside than what we do on the downside. You can also see down here we have a confirmation of lower lows in the price action, lower lows in the MACD. So a confirmation to the downside, we got higher volume on the downward move, lower volume on the upward move. So this is another one. You see joining the swing low here, support, becoming resistance. Also have the 13 EMA. You can see right here we changed direction at the 13 EMA in history, and possibly even back here a little further. So interesting. Okay, good trade below this low, we can go short. So there's FSLR. Let's take a look at another chart here. That good old famous Apple. Apple had a really nice move yesterday. On Apple, we've got Fibonacci retracements on here. Let's blow this up a little. So going from the high back over here all the way down to the lows, we're just looking at this downward leg here. You see we've got a came out close to that 50% retracement, closed just below the 38.2% retracement today. Okay, again we can see on volume, we had the higher volume here on these two candles down, and then we had lower volume or decreasing volume on these two big up candles to the upside, or one big up candle and doji candle. We can see we've got the bearish Harami right there, which is a reversal pattern. So if we can break below the low here, we can trade to the downside. So there's another one. We can see lower swing lows through here. Okay, swing low here, representing swing lows here in the MACD. We got lower lows in the MACD, confirming downtrend. So we got greater momentum to the downside, which gives us a probability of continuation to the downside. Now research in motion is we can see we're in that descending triangle. You see, had a nice down day here today. Okay, already started and some decent volume coming through. Now, I entered at 44.10 right here, right above this candle. We went up, we had the pullback, I held, we came right back up here, and yesterday I sold this at 47.70, somewhere in that range. So I was looking for this for the long term. I did not get the candle, I did not get the push through I was looking for here yesterday on this trade. So I sold right here. A good thing I did, because today we came right back down. I'd be sitting back in a losing position. You can see we're in that descending triangle formation. So we're coming up to support here, and just connecting the lower swing highs as we come through here. You can see MACD is rising. Now MACD will rise when a stock is in a consolidation formation. A triangle formation is a consolidation formation. So we have to expect MACD to rise and come back. And see, this here is a zero line, which what you're looking at with the MACD is moving averages, convergence, divergence. So if you have moving averages and there's smaller price movement on average, well, what a moving average is going to do? They're going to come and sit on zero, telling us there's very small average price movement. So this is typical to see in a consolidation pattern. This is where a lot of traders make huge mistakes with MACDs. So look at this, we got a bullish convergence because we got price coming down, MACD rising. So we're converging. A lot of people call it divergence. If we break this support level here, we can go short. So break below 40, we can short this stock. So this is another interesting one for us to look out for tomorrow if the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ break down. Now the last one here for us is potash. Now on potash here, what we've got going on is we can see we've got this support level back here. It's become resistance. So we broke below that. Now we've got resistance coming through here. You can see we had nice volume on the downside. So nice increasing volume here on the downside. Okay, what we need to do is break below this candle's low right here, and we can go short potash. Also on this, we got lower swing lows coming down through here, and we can see we've got lower lows coming down through here. On the long term, in the big picture, so you have a swing low here. That's the low that we've just traded below. Should be right here, so we can come off here. You see that's actually rising through there, which would be a bullish convergence, which is a negative on this trade. So there's a couple trades for us to look at. If the indexes roll over tomorrow, I'm certainly looking for that to take place. If not, well, we won't enter. Thanks for attending freetradingvideos.com. Until next time, break out.